Hello, welcome to my bathroom. As we all know, in homes today, we all probably have at least one leaky faucet. Well, I kind of want to give you guys an idea of what kind of problems that can cause, and then also I want to fix this faucet right here and show you how easy it is to possibly save one of our natural resources that we need so dearly. Just to give you an idea how much water can be wasted just by this one faucet. In one house, in only one faucet, if there's 60 leaks per minute, 60 drops of water per minute, that can equal up to 2,082 gallons per year. That is a lot. And take that, multiply that times how many houses in the world that probably have a faucet that leaks. That's pretty amazing. I mean, that's a lot of water just going down the drain and basically being wasted. So right here is the faucet we're going to work on, and as you can see, this faucet probably leaks more than 60 drops per minute, which goes to show you that I'm probably wasting more than 3,000 gallons per year. And now we're going to tear this thing apart, and we're going to show you how easy it is to fix this leak and save this precious resource. Okay, we're back. We got the water shut off. Now we're going to start tearing into this thing and see what we got. We're going to start by pulling this cap off, if I can get it. There we go. And then we've got a Phillips screw in here. We're going to pop that baby off of there. The handle's going to come right off. And then what we have in here simply is a little piston we're going to want to pull out. Okay, I think I got to get that piece out first. This little plastic piece has to come out of there. There we go, that helps. Okay. After we take that off, we have this cotter key right here. We're going to grab this cotter key on the top. Cotter key or C-clamp, whatever you want to call it. Let me see what tool I got to get in here with. It's been a while since I've done this. That key is what's holding that piston from sliding out. Now we're going to grab that piston with our channel locks. See how easy it comes out. Don't be scared to get your hands dirty. Come on, baby. Okay, once we got it started, it came right out. Now, as you can see, right here on the end of this piston, we have a little gasket. And that is usually the cause of that problem. Look right there. That could be the culprit. Simple little thing like that can save us almost 3,000 gallons of water a year. Okay, now we're going to go to the hardware store and get a new gasket. Okay, we're back here. We just got back from the hardware store, and this is what we came up with here. Simple $29 part is going to save us 3,000 gallons a year. One house, one leak. All we're going to do is pop that on, and there was 2 gaskets on here, so we're going to go ahead and replace both of them. No need in just replacing one of them since we've got it open, right? Save us us some problems in the future. Just go the other way with it. Maybe it'll go on a little bit easier. Fingers are a little bit slippery from the plumber stuff that was on there before. Okay, as you can see, we've got both gaskets brand new now. Shouldn't be any problems. Okay. Now, here's the secret. A little bit of Vaseline. You see that pipe inside of there, it gets tighter the farther it goes in, and this is going to save us a lot of problems. We're going to lube this guy up. Be generous. Don't want it to stop halfway in there. And then this will also help it to operate smoothly in and out. Okay. Let me wipe my hands off really quick. Hand towel here. Okay, now we're just going to put it right back in the way it came out. Hopefully. There she is, just like that. Okay, now we're going to know if it's in there far enough if our cotter key goes on, or our C clamp, whatever you want to call it. I don't think it is just yet, so we're going to take our regular screwdriver and see if we can get it to go in anymore without breaking it. I got a little bit. See if that does it. There she went, like a glove. And our little washer goes on. Okay. This baby goes back on. Okay. Then our handle. Very simple fix for what could potentially be a very big problem in the future. Okay, we've got the water back on. As you can see, no leak. And that concludes my presentation. I would like to stress the importance of something as simple as $1.29 saved, could possibly save up to 3,000 gallons a year. And those statistics were brought to you by USGS.gov. Just imagine, one leak in, each house all over the world, or, even every 5 houses. 1 out of 5 houses in the world has a leak. Just imagine how much water we're wasting per year. I mean, this is one of the most important natural resources. And something as simple as $1.29 for a small part like that, in this case we used 2 of them, okay, $3, and we just saved almost 3,000 gallons in a year. That's pretty significant. So I did my part. Now I encourage others to, how, you've seen how easy it was. Now go out and do your part, or spread the word to others. If you see somebody with a leaky faucet, say, hey, I saw a video. It's very simple to do. The parts are easy to find. You can find them at any hardware store, Ace Hardware, whatever. And that concludes my presentation. Thank you for watching.